Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and for today's vlog we are in the middle of nowhere. It's 94 degrees Fahrenheit kung saan kami nakatira, so medyo mainit siya. So we decided to go somewhere to relax, and most of all magpalamig. So we found this place. It's in my background. It's the Devil's Waterfall. So meron siyang parang konting swimming pool. Parang tinatawag namin to siya na parang our own personal jacuzzi. So medyo malamig siya, but then it's perfect for the hot weather. So let's go and let's have some fun. Okay, so my son finished setting up the table, and also we brought some chairs and some blankets because it's gonna be cold, and we have our food. And my husband went back up in a road kung saan po kami naka-parking. So kukunin niya yung iba naming mga gamit. So but for the moment, we're going to set up this area for our little private picnic for today. I'm excited to go swimming on that one. Okay, so we're gonna go swimming.
Except me, since my feet die when I dip it.
It's not gonna die. The water is cold.
That's why they call it.
Oh, that's deeper than it looks.
Yeah, it's the water is about my waist level.
Okay,
so far.
That's good enough for me.
Yeah. What are you gonna do is you just have to stand to that rock.
No, I don't trust the rock.
Yeah.
I can't see it well enough to trust it.
I guess the depth is really deceiving.
Uphill side would be where it's at. That's got water going through it, probably.
Yeah.
No fish, though.
Why you're looking for fish?
I understand why they call this Devil's Waterfall now.
Why?
It tortures your feet when you dip them in.
It's torture. Yeah, this waterfall, they call it Devil's Waterfall. The last time that we're here, like early spring, this is still frozen. The side is frozen. So the water, if you're going to dip your feet in it, it's cold, but it's tolerable.
To me, it's not tolerable. Okay, I'll torture my feet just to get in.
It's not that deep here.
I know you said that.
Look at the water, it's until here. Don't go that way. That's deep. That's the deepest part.
He can't go that way. It won't work for him.
Yep. It's cold.
My feet, my right foot already feels numb.
It seems that I'm not going to dip my back.
No. A little bit too cold, huh? And there's no sunshine out here, in here.
My right foot is warm now because of the water. Okay. Now it's really hot. Man, it's already this foot.
It's not. I am not even going to go down. You don't want to come down here? That's deep. Yeah. He is brave. He jumped into the water. Woohoo!
How are you going to get out?
Yeah. Okay, so he's in the water now. Woo! It's cold water. There's a rock. You can. There you go.
No, not that way, Lou.
It's slippery. Hey, be careful. It's slippery. Woohoo! It's cold. Woohoo! Cold. I don't want to make my back wet because it's cold. Ugh.
Use your feet. Don't just push it.
You did it. Whoa. See, it's not cold that much. It's tolerable. Now it's gonna, okay.
I didn't eat any salmon today.
You did not eat any kanin.
Well, only in the morning.
You did not eat any kanin today. What is kanin?
Rice.
Rice.
Well, I did actually eat rice in the morning.
So you did eat rice. Kanin, I mean. So, he missed his kanin. You miss it?
No.
Got it? It's not that deep. Whoa, you can actually go swimming. It's not that deep. It's about your waist level. It's just too cold. Okay, we're gonna say bye to the waterfall and see you again next time. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Say bye.